Hello, welcome to my screencast. My name is Kayleigh Green. I'm a student at Sheffield Hallam University studying nutrition, diet and wellbeing. I'm in my first year and today I'm going to be suggesting menu items for Sheffield City Trust for the redesigning of their menus and looking at consumer trends, nutritional value of the items that I recommend, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to start with consumer trends that are up and coming for the next year. So people are looking for things that are a bit more playful now. So I think, in all honesty, with the pandemic, people have gotten a bit bored, of the same old. So they're looking for products and experiences that are quite playful. They're looking for world flavours, linking to that COVID-19 pandemic. People haven't been able to travel so much, so world flavours are becoming, more of a choice for people now. New experiences, potentially linking to those world flavours. People, again, haven't had as much freedom, so they really are looking to have something new that they can experience and enjoy. Community focus, being able to socialise is huge. I think being kept apart for so long has had a big effect on a lot of people. So anything community focused now that brings people together is going to be up and coming. And sustainability and ethics. So people are really focusing on these when looking for products now and making their selections. They're wanting to make sure that things are from a sustainable and ethical source. So any product that really does focus on that is going to be hopefully up and coming over the next year or so. Okay, so on to my actual suggestion. I have looked at tapas style dishes. Now, I know this might seem a little bit out there, you know, as a suggestion, but I'm hoping that that's not going to take away from, the fun of it. So I've put on some typical Spanish style dishes on here. So we've got the turkey meatballs. Generally would be beef meatballs, but the reason I've chose turkey is because, it's a healthier option than the red meat. Turkey also has been known to increase the serotonin, and it sort of has a relaxing property. It's good for that brain function and to help with the release of endorphins and keeping people happy. Um, I've got some vegetarian and vegan options on here that will cater to people of basically any dietary requirement. And also a safe option with the breaded fish bites with tartar sauce and a wedge of lemon. That's for the more traditional people that maybe might not want to eat Spanish food so much, or want something a little bit more safe. It's an option there, so there's something for everyone. And the reason I like this option, the tapas style dishes so much, is because of how flexible it is. You could offer seasonal options. They don't have to be Spanish dishes. It could be literally anything, um, and it's inclusive of everyone. Now, we've got a few what I like to call mood foods, and these are, for example, the avocado in the guacamole. We've got the spinach and the chickpeas in the stew. Any nuts, any seeds that have been included in here all count as mood foods, so to speak. So the reason they're called this is because they increase that serotonin, and help to improve a person's mood. So I think after a workout session, having food that increases mood is just going to add to that overall experience. For example, I imagine me personally, if I were to go to a class, an exercise class with my friends, coming out of that and thinking, oh, let's go and have some tapas now, and having something that improves my mood even more after I've already got that endorphin release from exercise, is just going to make this experience go from good to great, essentially. Okay, so other things to consider: people can have this on their own or as a group. It's comforting without the guilt because of the healthy aspect of it. And the smaller plates mean people generally feel fuller. It's sort of got that satisfying aspect where you look at a plate that's full, it makes you feel more full quicker, even though it's a smaller plate. And because you start having a conversation and it's socially focused, you know, it's really in fitting with those trends. And there is always potential to offer deals as well. There are competitors that offer something similar nearby that can charge anything up to £7 per dish, but they're not leisure centres. So that makes this a really unique experience for anybody that might want to give it a try. Okay, so those are my suggestions. Thank you very much for watching. I've attached some references at the end for you to have a look at if you'd like to see where I got my information. So these are here. And if you have any questions, anything you'd like to discuss in further detail with myself, do get in touch and have a lovely day. Thank you very much.